Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to, of course, in this general list of the settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers in this first section, and now we can freely tap on date and choose it from this calendar. Just tap on it and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it on this clock and it will be immediately applied. Let's tap on the time zone. This is also the thing we can change. Tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions. So find yours and tap on it. For example, this one, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also customize the time format. Currently we are using the 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, or we can use local default, so it is kind of automatic. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.